Okie dokie. In this problem, they say starting with a standard American deck of 52 cards, you've created a smaller collection containing only cards with a diamond. Using this smaller deck, what is the probability of drawing an 8? So it might help to understand a 52 card deck real quick. So of the 52 cards, there are 4 suits, like basically 4 categories. There are diamonds, spades, clubs, and hearts. Each of these suits or categories have 13 cards. And of those 13 cards, like each suit has cards numbered 2 through 10. And then there's the face cards, jack, queen, king, and an ace. So this makes up the 13 cards in each suit. All right, so let's say we're only using diamonds, or only picking, a deck of diamonds. So we have 13 cards, and they ask what's the probability of drawing an 8 from these 13 diamond cards. Well, there's only one 8 in that 13 card, deck of diamonds. So there's only one possibility of drawing an 8 out of those total 13 cards. So 1 out of 13 is that probability. Hope that makes some sense. Let's do 2 more. Same idea. You've created a smaller collection, though, and this time containing only royal cards. So king, queen, and jack. But they don't mention any specific suit, right? So of the royal cards, if we think about it, there's 4 suits with these 3 royal cards. So for a total of 3 times 4, so 3 royal cards, 4 suits, we have 12 total cards to pick from. They ask, what is the probability of not drawing a spade? Okay, so keep in mind there's 4 suits. Spade is one of those suits. So the probability of not drawing a spade would be, you're just not drawing one of those 4 suits, which means you can still draw 3 of those 4 suits. So you could think about it like this. You could think about it as leaving out the king, queen, and jack from the spades, or leaving out the 3 out of 12 cards. Or you could think about it so if you leave out the 3 of the 12 cards, you have an option of picking 9 out of the 12 cards. That would not be spades. Or kind of thinking about it with the 4 suits thing, if you're just leaving out one of the suits, then you still have probability of choosing 3 out of the 4 suits, like 3/4. So these two are equivalent. Whichever one gets you there, you can look at it a couple different ways. I hope that made enough sense. It was a little whatever, but let's do another one. You've created a smaller collection containing only cards with a face value from 6 to 8. So 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so 3 cards, and there are 4 suits with these 3 cards. So, these 3 cards times all 4 suits, again, we have a little collection of 12 cards total. Using the smaller deck, what is the probability of drawing a spade? So now it's not a spade, it's what's the probability of drawing a spade. So the spades make up 3 of those 12 cards. Or you can think about it as the spades are one of the 4 suits. So either way, we're getting 1/4. I hope this makes enough sense. Again, it definitely helps to have an understanding a little bit of the categorization of the cards and the spades, or the cards and the suits, and the everything like that. But if you don't, I hope this little explanation at the start helped a little bit. If you see a weird example that's giving you trouble, just let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. All right.